The wiring process of this edge banding machine faces the challenges of complex systems. 5 300 series inverters are precisely arranged. Scientific layout of 2 FT2 drives. We use a layered wiring scheme. Physical isolation of power lines and signal lines. Customized cable length and color. Double identification with number 2. Ensure 0 wiring errors at 12 critical control points. Achieve multi-drive synchronous operation without interference. As a manufacturer of core industrial automation products, STABLECU Electric's independently developed servo drive and VFD series products has been widely used in multi-drive collaborative systems. The company's 30,000 square meters industrial park, implemented from core components, vertical integration into the entire system. Monthly production capacity exceeds 40 million. Ensure that each factory electric box all use our own high reliability components